In the midst of the loud and intense events of World War II, amidst the roar of engines and the chaos of battle, a hero emerged from the skies, the P-47 Thunderbolt. This remarkable aircraft wasn't just a machine, it was a symbol of courage, innovation, and unwavering determination. The Thunderbolt's journey began as a response to the need for a high-altitude interceptor. Its designers at Republic Aviation Corporation sought to create an aircraft that could soar to great heights, intercept enemy planes, and strike with precision. The result was a heavy and sturdy fighter, a departure from the sleeker models of its time. Crafting the Thunderbolt wasn't without its challenges. Balancing the need for firepower, protection, and maneuverability pushed engineers to innovate. The plane's massive size allowed for ample internal space, enabling it to carry an impressive array of weaponry and equipment. This design ethos, however, brought forth the challenge of aerodynamics and engine power. As the war progressed, so did the Thunderbolt's capabilities. The initial models, with their distinctive razorback design, evolved into sleeker versions with bubble canopies that improved visibility. From machine guns to rocket projectiles, the Thunderbolt's arsenal expanded, giving it the versatility to excel in various roles. The Thunderbolt wasn't confined to a single role, it embraced versatility. It could escort bombers, engage enemy aircraft, and strafe ground targets with equal prowess. This adaptability made it a vital asset on both the European and Pacific fronts. Equipped with an arsenal that included bombs and rockets, the Thunderbolt proved its worth as a ground attacker. Its ability to devastate enemy positions played a crucial role in supporting ground forces, often turning the tide of battles. One of the Thunderbolt's standout roles was bomber escort. Flying alongside vulnerable bombers, it provided protection against enemy fighters. With its long range and enduring endurance, the Thunderbolt ensured the safety of vital bombing missions deep into enemy territory. Stepping into the cockpit of a Thunderbolt was a unique experience. The spaciousness allowed pilots to breathe more freely during intense maneuvers. The plane's rugged design, while occasionally less aerodynamic, offered a sense of security to the aviators who trusted it with their lives. Despite its size, the Thunderbolt displayed remarkable agility in the hands of skilled pilots. Its large wingspan contributed to stable flight and precise control, allowing for hairpin turns and strategic positioning during dogfight. At the heart of the Thunderbolt's might was its Pratt & Whitney engine. This turbocharged radial engine not only propelled the aircraft to impressive speeds but also gave it the power to climb to high altitudes, a feature that set it apart from many of its contemporaries. The Thunderbolt's ability to operate at high altitudes was a game-changer. Turbocharging not only boosted its performance but also allowed it to engage enemy aircraft at levels previously unreachable, providing a critical advantage. Recognizing the importance of pilot safety, the Thunderbolt incorporated advanced armor protection. This protection minimized the risk to pilots, enabling them to focus on their missions without the constant fear of incoming fire. The Thunderbolt's firepower was a force to be reckoned with. Its 8.50 caliber machine guns and additional rocket projectiles made it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat and ground attacks alike. In the European theater, the Thunderbolt's impact was profound. It played a pivotal role in gaining air superiority over the skies of Western Europe, contributing significantly to the success of D-Day and subsequent Allied offensives. The Thunderbolt's design continually evolved, leading to various models optimized for specific tasks. From fighter bombers to reconnaissance variants, each iteration showcased the aircraft's adaptability and the ingenuity of its creators. The Thunderbolt wasn't limited to American forces. It was adopted by numerous allied nations, becoming a symbol of unity in the fight against tyranny. Countries like Britain, France, and the Soviet Union integrated the Thunderbolt into their air forces, further amplifying its impact. The skies bore witness to the heroic deeds of Thunderbolt pilots who became legends in their own right. Aces like Francis Cabreski and Robert Johnson etched their names in history with their remarkable combat records. The Thunderbolt's participation in iconic air battles like the Battle of the Bulge and the invasion of Normandy highlighted its pivotal role in turning the tide of war. Its presence in these engagements was often the difference between victory and defeat. Behind the statistics and strategy lay the gripping tales of daring missions undertaken by Thunderbolt pilots. From dogfights against overwhelming odds to heart-stopping close air support for ground troops, these stories showcase the true essence of courage. As the echoes of war faded, the Thunderbolt faced a new chapter. Some found their way into civilian hands, repurposed for air racing and aerobatics. This transition reflected the aircraft's enduring appeal and adaptability. The Thunderbolt's legacy extended beyond its active service. Technological advancements born from its design influenced the future of aviation, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. Preserving history became a mission for many aviation enthusiasts. Today, Thunderbolts stand proudly in aviation museums, a testament to their role in shaping the course of history. Restoration projects breathed life into dormant Thunderbolts, allowing them to take to the skies once again. The sight of these warbirds soaring overhead evoked powerful emotions and rekindled memories of a bygone era. For veterans who once flew and maintained Thunderbolts, seeing these aircraft once more can be a poignant experience. It's a chance to revisit the past, remember fallen comrades, and rekindle the spirit of camaraderie that defined their wartime service. The Thunderbolt's legacy transcended reality, finding a place in movies and literature. Its portrayal in films and books immortalized its heroic feats and kept its memory alive for generations to come. Beyond its technical prowess, the Thunderbolt symbolized the indomitable spirit of those who fought in World War II. It stood as a representation of determination, sacrifice, and the unwavering pursuit of freedom. Behind every successful Thunderbolt mission stood a dedicated team of ground crews and mechanics. Their tireless efforts ensured the aircraft's operational readiness, often working long hours to maintain and repair battle-worn planes. Maintaining and operating Thunderbolts presented logistical challenges. Securing spare parts, fuel, and skilled personnel in remote theaters of war demanded resourcefulness and resilience. The Thunderbolt's success wasn't solely the result of its pilot's skills. It was a testament to the collective effort of engineers, mechanics, logistics personnel, and countless others who worked in harmony to keep the aircraft flying. While the Thunderbolt boasted impressive capabilities, it wasn't without limitations. Its size could make it a target for enemy fighters, and its ground attack role sometimes exposed it to heavy anti-aircraft fire. In the constellation of World War II aircraft, the Thunderbolt shared the skies with iconic planes like the Spitfire and the Mustang. Each had its strengths and weaknesses, contributing to a complex tapestry of aerial warfare. As the curtain fell on World War II, the roar of the Thunderbolt's engines echoed in history. Its legacy, marked by resilience, innovation, and valor, lives on. The P-47 Thunderbolt, a symbol of triumph and unity, stands as a testament to the courage of those who soared in its wings.